What's up, YouTube? I'm at the gas station again. I just gassed up for today's ride. We're actually going to meet with my buddy Tim, Nevermoremoto. He is a friend of the channel. He has a week off, so we're gonna just hang out today, go for a little ride, maybe grab some grub. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back to the channel and supporting me as always. Tim has graciously offered to meet me up here, or meet me down here. Yeah, but we're just gonna see what we get into. I think I'm gonna take him to Old Town Alexandria, take him on one of my favorite routes near DC. It is the George Washington Parkway, which overlooks DC a little bit here and there. But why don't you guys come along? Should be fun. Tim is a character. He also has his own YouTube channel. Go ahead and check out his YouTube channel. He rides a Triumph Street Scrambler, also has a Ural, and a couple of other scoots. Wow, it's momentous. Oh, dude, that fits you.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, dude.
That's nice.
You might I actually
do
forwards.
Yeah.
You look a little scrunched up.
Yeah, longer, because I can easily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The forwards will put you right about
size-wise.
here.
Yeah, it's not intimidating at all.
No matter how tall you get the fairing too, like you still get a little bit of buffeting.
Yeah.
But I like the size. I like the length of this right now, so I'm gonna keep it as is.
Look at my small ass wheel. Okay. Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, it doesn't feel intimidating. That's what I was kind of worried about.
I'm smaller than you, so imagine how I felt.
But still, when you get, yeah, it might be the way you have the risers too, because I'm sure that makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
Getting it close to you and.
You need like a running start. Oh man, that is.
So it is tall for you. Okay.
That is comfy.
Yeah, rest on the peg. It's fine.
Yeah.
On kickstand.
I couldn't ride like this for long periods of time. Yeah, you're
hunched.
I'm
not.
Like a sports bike.
Yeah, I'm not hunched though.
Yeah, the seat's comfy. Wait, this was a stock seat, right?
That's a stock gel. Yeah. Yeah, but like if you were to tell me, hey Tim, meet me in Rockville, drive your car. Hey, fuck you. But the ride wasn't bad. Like, it was really.
Dude, if you took Georgia or 97, yeah, that's a great ride. So that was Tim. We're gonna go ahead and hit up a restroom, get some gas for Tim's bike. We're gonna head out and go for a little ride. This is gonna be a good ride. This is one of my favorite routes near me. It's twisty and it's windy and it's right along the Potomac River. So you get to see the water, you get to see the Washington Monument, all that good stuff. If you guys ever come to visit, this is probably the path that I would show you. The only downside to this road is that there's always construction being done. The road is never completely finished, and so there's always a little potholes and things of that nature to look out for. That is the view, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I was wondering if you've had this before or not.
We don't venture DC. We stay in our nice little shitty pocket of the ghetto area.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have literally like a dartboard's worth of stuff that we can eat at, that we throw darts at. Just alternate.
Yep. Yep, that's us. Thank you. Bro, this is a lot of food. I don't know what's what, so...
Wait, there's a marking?
No?
There's some white people on that.
I think this isn't like an Asian place.
I'm trying to place the season. Lay's potato chip barbecue season.
You're right. I like how crispy it is.
Enjoying her like 3-hour-old.
This is an insanely huge sandwich.
I'm never taking a bite. It's called Woo Boy? Hot chicken?
Right behind you. Alright guys, so we just finished up our little late lunch at Woo Boy. I don't know if you saw the pictures from that, but that chicken was insanely huge. Quite delicious. Now our bellies are full. Showing Tim all my secret spots today. Make sure to check out Tim's channel. He's got a lot of cool videos about his Triumph, his Ural. He's definitely one of my favorite moto vlogs to watch. The walk of shame. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with our ride. Thank you guys for joining us. If you haven't, check out Tim's channel. He's right over there. Nevermoremoto is his handle. Make sure to click like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you guys all next time.